Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick Power BI tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change the size of a table in your report, both on your canvas and inside the table itself. So whether you want to make your data stand out more on your dashboard or simply create a cleaner, more readable layout, by the end of this video you'll know several ways to adjust your tables in Power BI with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need some data to work with. If you already have your own dataset, feel free to use that, but if not, just grab a sample data table to follow along. Something simple like customer names, products, and sales numbers works great and lets you focus on learning the visuals rather than worrying about the data itself. Remember, Power BI comes with some sample datasets so you can always experiment without risk. Okay, once you've got your data, open up Power BI Desktop and head over to Report View. Here, where all your visuals come to life. In the Visualizations pane, click on the table visual. It looks just like a little grid icon. After that, just drag the fields you want into the Values section. For example, let's say you're dragging customer, product, and sales. This will fill your table with some sample data, ready for resizing and formatting. Now, let's talk about changing the actual size of the table visual on your report canvas. There are two simple methods for this, and both are super useful depending on whether you want a quick adjustment or something more precise. For a fast change, just click to select your table. You'll see the borders highlight with little handles on the corners and edges. All you do is drag those edges in or out to resize the visual, just like resizing a photo in PowerPoint. It's quick, intuitive, and lets you get your visuals roughly in place within seconds. Don't worry if it takes a few tweaks to get it looking just right. Sometimes it helps to step back and see how it fits with your other visuals. But what if you need the table to be an exact size, say, to fit perfectly on a dashboard tile? That's when the Format pane comes in. With your table still selected, click on the paint roller icon to open the Format pane, open the General section, and look for Properties. Here you'll see exact X and Y position controls as well as width and height measurements. You can enter the precise size you need, really handy for aligning visuals or keeping things pixel perfect, but we're not done yet. Sometimes you want to change not just how much space the whole table takes up, but also how the data looks inside, like making rows taller, text bigger, or columns narrower. To do this with your table selected, stay in the Format pane and scroll to the Grid section. Here you can adjust row padding, which controls the height of each row. Increasing the padding makes things look more spacious and less cramped, which is especially helpful if your text is a bit small or your data feels too compressed. You'll also see the text size option. Bumping up the font here not only makes your data easier to read, but it also increases the overall row height. If you see too much empty space between rows, just reduce the row padding or text size until it looks right for your report. Another tip, if you only want to change the width of a specific column, just hover over the column header and drag to resize it manually, just like you would in Excel. And if you want Power BI to manage column widths automatically as your data changes, you can toggle Auto Size Column Width on or off. To put all of this into practice, let's imagine your table is looking a bit squashed, the text is small, and everything's hard to scan at a glance. Increase the row padding and font size, and suddenly your table becomes much more inviting. On the flip side, if you notice too much empty space, just dial back those settings until it feels balanced. And that's it. Now you can easily resize your entire table visual, fine-tune your rows and columns, and use formatting tricks to make your data pop. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a like, drop any questions you have in the comments, and subscribe for more Power BI tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.